pulling in next to the Norwegian Getaway, which is a bit larger than our ship, the Caribbean Princess. I hear all sorts of alarms going off. And they're all tied up and people getting off already, so they must have been here a while. It's only 8:20. It looks like a big, nice ship though, huh? And it's got these outside dining areas just above the lifeboats there, which have red tops, maroon tops, whatever you want to call it, cherry on top. And it's got some big water slides up there. Do you want to see? And a lot of balconies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decks. And these are bigger balconies right down here. See that? Like suites, mini suites, whatever. So, Norwegian Getaway. I want to show you this. See Norwegian Getaway there? I thought that said love, but it doesn't. Maybe it's the signature of the guy who did this artwork. Anyway, they're hard at work down there, getting ready to take the ropes. And it's weird, there's hardly anybody out on that ship, but on our ship, there's lots of people out watching. See that? Oh, those are really big balconies. Oh, so that's one more deck of balconies. Anyway, and this is Amber Cove in the Dominican Republic, near Puerto Plata. So, Norwegian Getaway, Puerto Plata, Amber Cove, and we're on the Caribbean Princess. There's the island. And it's warm and a little humid. Doesn't seem too bad yet. Of course, it's only 8:30, like I say. Port Monkey's out. See you in the next port. Bye.